Hello friends, this is Laksh Gupta from CBSE French class 9th and 10th. In this video, we are going to do lesson 3 of class 10th entretien Chercher du travail, which means searching for a job. So let's start. Let's read this paragraph given. Sorry. Yeah. Metro Chalet. Pauline rencontre sa cousine Adelaine Veron qui habite à Reims après longtemps. Châtelet metro station. Pauline meets her cousin Adeline Veron, who lives in Reims after a long time. Pauline, ah, Adeline, quelle surprise. Pauline, ah, Adeline, what a surprise. Adeline, salut Pauline, ça va? Adeline, hi Pauline, how are you? Pauline, oui, ça va. Et toi? Qu'est-ce que tu fais à Paris? Pauline, yes, fine. And you, what are you doing in Paris? Adeline, ça fait 6 mois que j'ai quitté Reims. Maintenant, j'ai un travail dont je suis contente. Adeline, it has been 6 months that I quit Reims. Now I have a job with which I am happy. Pauline, où? Pauline, where? Adeline, l'entreprise dans laquelle je travaille se trouve à Saint-Métros de ici. Je suis secrétaire. Adeline, the company in which I am working is 100 meters from here. I am a secretary. Pauline, qu'est-ce que tu fais comme travail? Pauline, what is your work like? Adeline, ah, tu sais un peu de travail intellectuel et manuel. Je dois prendre des notes que je dois rédiger sous forme de lettres sur l'ordinateur. Adeline, oh, you know, a little intellectual and manual work. I have to take the notes which I have to write up in the letter form on the computer. Je tape des textes que je dois imprimer sur l'imprimante. I type the text which I have to print on the printer. Je range les dossiers et je fais des photocopies. I arrange the files and I take the photocopies. Qu'un secrétaire a beaucoup de choses à faire. A secretary has a lot of things to do. Mais c'est un poste dont je suis fier. But this is a post of which I am proud. Pauline, que c'est intéressant. Oh, se reverra au de séjour. Pauline, how interesting it is. We will meet again one of these days. Adeline, au revoir, Pauline. Adeline, goodbye, Pauline. So let's move down. So these are the exercises. À toi, it's your turn. First, the vrai or faux. Say true or false. First question. Pauline rencontre sa tante Adeline Veron. Pauline meets her aunt Adeline Veron. But this is wrong because here it is written C. It is his cousin. It's not his aunt, but it is his cousin. See, sa cousine. So this is false and we write for. So let's write for. For. Adeline est en vacances à Paris. And this means Adeline is on vacations in Paris. But we just read that he's not in vacations, but he is doing a job. So this is also false and we write for. Next, Adeline travaille à Reims. This means Adeline works in Reims. But this is false because we just studied that he is in Paris. So this is also false. For. Adeline a secretary. Adeline is a secretary. This is true because we just read that he is a secretary. So this is vrai. Next, Adeline aime bien so boule. This means Adeline likes her job. This is also true because he has many times said that I am happy of my job and I'm proud of my jobs. So this is also true. Next, répondre aux questions. Answer the questions. Comment s'appelle la cousine de Pauline? And this translates to what is the name of Pauline's cousin? We just read that it is Adeline Veron. So we'll write la cuisine, the Pauline s'appelle Adeline Veron, like this. And this translates to the cousin of Pauline is Adeline Veron. So like this, like Como je m'appelle or Como tu t'appelles. So this is like s'appelle. Okay, this is the conjugation of ups. So appelle verb. Next, we'll go to the next. Où est-ce qu'elle travaille? And this translates to where is she working? We just read that she is working in a company like secretary. So we'll write, I'll just remove this one, then we'll do it so that we have space to write. Then we'll write elle travaille. See, though two answers are possible. We can also write the place where she is working, or we can write that she is working in a company. In the place we'll write she is working in Paris, but I feel that this answer is better, so I'm writing this. Elle travaille dans une entreprise. Friends, since I have not written it earlier and I'm writing it side by side, there might be small spelling mistakes. So you can just recheck spellings from the paragraph if you want. So I'm writing elle travaille dans une entreprise comme secrétaire, and I will not be able to put the accent, so that too you can take from the paragraph, because I'm just teaching you how to write the question answers and not the spellings and all that you can do on your own. Next, third, depuis quand habite elle à Paris? This translates to since when does she live in Paris? We just said that she lives in Paris since 6 months, so we'll write elle habite Pahi with an accent that it is written in the question also, so you can check from that. Elle habite à Paris depuis 6 mois. So this means she lives in Paris since 6 months. Okay. Next. Quelles sont les responsibilities d'un secrétaire? Friends, this is a very important question, and this will come in civilization too. So please mug this question up. You can write in your notebook, because this is one of the most important civilization questions from this chapter, and this comes many a times. This has come many times in board also, and this will come in your school exams also. So quelles sont les responsibilities d'un secrétaire? And this translates to what are the responsibilities of a secretary? There was a paragraph given in the dialogue in which the responsibilities of a secretary were described in full, but I'm just writing in short for you. So let's start. I'm just clearing everything so that I have space. So this is the answer for the third part. So you can just copy. Just write. So friends, this is the answer that I've quickly typed for you. I'll just put the accents also. I'm able to. Tune secrétaire, a secretary doit prendre des notes, must take the notes et les rédiger sur l'ordinateur sous forme de lettres and reg register them on the computer in the form of letters. And there will be a accent on rédiger too. Elle doit aussi taper des textes, les imprimer, ranger les dossiers et faire des photocopies. She must also type the text, print them, arrange the files, and do the photocopies. So this is the answer of this fourth question. Friends, this is a very important question. I am repeating again and again, and this will comes many times in board exams also, and this might come in a school exam also. So please learn this as a civilization question. Okay, now fifth, Ata el beaucoup de travail, and this translates to does she have a lot of work? And we just read that it is true, and so we'll write like this: we, yes, elle a beaucoup de travail. Okay, so this is the answer for fifth question. So please take a screenshot, or you can note this on in a notebook. I'm just clearing in this in 2 seconds. So I'm just clearing this. So let's move ahead. Third question. Identifie les objets or utiliser les mots dans ci-dessous. So this translates to identify the objects by using the words given below. So let's read the words one by one. Tune agrafuse or stapler, a ruban adhesive, an adhesive tape. Tune call a gum. They scissor scissors. They belongs notes a notepad. A ordinateur a computer. Tune imprimant a printer. Tune chemise a file. A trombone a paperclip, and de dossier, this means files. So first let's do it one by one. First, this is, we clearly know that this is file, so the answer for this is de dossier, which is given in the last. Okay, last option, de dossier. Next, we can clearly see that these are paper clips, so we'll write trombone, because trombone only means paper clip. So we'll write a trombone. This is the second last option. Next, we can clearly see this is the computer, so it is a ordinateur, and the ordinateur is the first option in the second line. A ordinateur. Next, this is a stapler, so we'll write tune agrafuse. Next, it is a printer, so it is tune imprimant. You can take the spellings and you can do everything from the options. And last is tape, so it is a Ruban adhesive. Sorry, a Ruban adhesive. You can take the accents from the options, and I'll just mark that for you. So the spelling is here, Ruban adhesive. Okay, here it is, the spelling, this one. Okay, so you can take it down from here. Friends, one more thing, this is a very important civilization question that comes in exams, and the question comes like nomme les objets que on trouve a dans a bureau, or it can be like this: énumérer quelques objets que on peut trouver dans a bureau, which means enumerate some objects that one can find in an office. So the objects will be the one given here, like this. These are all the objects that are found: agrafuse, tune agrafuse, or Ruban adhesive. You can write any, you can learn any 4 5 and write the answer. So we can write the answer like this. I'll just type it for you quickly. The question will come like this: enumerate, or you can write nomme. Nomme means name. Nomme quelques objets que on peut trouver que on peut trouver dans un bureau. Dans a bureau. And this translates to name some objects that one can find in an office. So we can write the answer like this: a e trouver, one can find there. E means there. This is the pronoun personnel that we have learned. A per e trouver. You can write any 3 4 things that we have just learned. For example, I am writing tune agrafuse, and I am writing tune imprimant. You can write ordinateur, and you can write any one more, and I am writing Ruban adhesive. Okay, Ruban adhesive. So you can write it like this. So this will be the question, this will be the answer. You can check the spellings from here. Okay, it is given all here. Spellings are given over here. You can learn any 4 5 objects from this. So let's move ahead and let's clear this. Now, je observe, I observe. The boy is asking, tu cherches toujours au travail? You are still looking for a job? And the girl is saying, I'll just scroll down. Ah, no, J'ai déjà un travail dont je suis contente. The girl is saying, oh no, I already have a job of which I am happy. Now the orange cloud, j'ai un travail. Je suis contente de ce travail. I have a job. I am happy about this work. Next, j'ai un travail dont je suis contente. I have a job about which I am happy. So this is a prono-relative sampler. So we don't need to learn this because prono-relative sampler most probably don't come in boards because they are not coming, I think, this year also. So we are not doing this. Okay. So you can do it on your own if a teacher says, but according to me, this is not required. So let's move ahead. So friends, we are not doing this exercise also because these are not coming in boards. We don't have to learn prono-relative sampler. So we are not doing this. Now let's do this exercise. Denise parla a cancha de sa chanteuse préférée Celine Dion. This translates to Dennis talks to a cancha about his preferred singer Celine Dion. Dennis, tu veux jeter a coup d'oeil sur ma collection Celine Dion? This means you want to see a bit of my Celine Dion collection? Akansha. Jo e déjà une idée. Tu attends the affiche de Celine. Akansha. I already have an idea about it. You have so many posters of Celine. Dennis. Regarde, tu te rappelles du concert pendant lequel elle a jeté des foulards. Dennis. Look, do you remember the concert during which she threw the scarves? Akansha. Tu as de la chance. Tu as sur lequel elle a signé. Akansha Singh, you are lucky. You have one of them on which she signed. Dennis, Theo, c'est une photo dans laquelle elle est à côté de ma cousine. Dennis, look, this is a photo in which she is beside my cousin. Akansha, ce stylo avec son autographe où tu l'as trouvé. Akansha, and this pen with her autograph, where did you find it? Dennis, j'ai acheté des CD avec lesquels je le ai reçu gratuitement. Dennis, I bought some CDs with which I received it free. Friends, one thing though, this is not so important, but you should still know tune photo. This is an exception because photo is a feminine noun, although it does not end with this. So you can learn this for your grammar exercises. So let's scroll down. So Akansha is dancing. Dites que elle donne a concert dans notre ville le mois prochain. Akansha is saying someone says that she gives a concert in our city next month, or she is going to give. Okay, you can do anything. Dennis, et up gagne les billets pour lesquels je achète des DVD Shark 7. Dennis, and one can win the tickets for which I buy some DVDs every week. I observe, Dennis. Theo, c'est une photo dans laquelle elle est à côté de ma cousine. Dennis, look, this is a photo in which she is besides my cousin. So these are prono-relative composé, and we have to do an exercise of this only in the next page. So let's move ahead. So à toi, it's your turn. Complète avec un pronom relatif composé et ajoute la preposition qui convenient. This means complete with a compound relative pronoun and add the preposition which is suitable. The first is la fille, il est allé à l'école et sa voisine. This means the girl dash he went to the school is his neighbor. We know that the best sense would make with which. So the girl with which he went to the school is his neighbor. So we'll use with. So with is avec. So we'll first write avec. Then we know that la fille is feminine. So we'll use laquelle. So it will become avec laquelle. Avec laquelle. Okay, so this is the answer. Next, second part. Les wheels dash il y a trop de circulation, so beaucoup pollué. This means the cities dash there is much traffic are much polluted. So the best sense, the preposition which with it would make best sense is in, which is the. So it would become the cities in which there is much traffic are much polluted. So it would become the lake else, and the we'll write the 2 minutes. We'll write the and then lake else because lay wheels is feminine plural lake else. Okay, like this. Third, lay roots dash il so passe ete tre glicent. This means the roads dash they passed were very slippery. And we know that the preposition which would make sense is through. So it would become par lesquels. Lesquels because roots is also feminine plural. So par lesquels. Next, la mayonnaise dash Denis a mangé le crab la rendu malade. This means the mayonnaise dash Dennis ate the crab made him sick. We know that the best sense preposition avec would make, which means with. So we write the mayonnaise with which Dennis ate the crab made him sick. So it would become avec laquelle. Laquelle because mayonnaise is feminine singular. So friends, I'll just give you one tip, though it's not important, that if you don't know for example, if you don't know what type of noun is this, so you should always refer to this. We know that it is la is being used, so it is feminine because la is used with feminine, and because la is also used with singular, so it is feminine singular, and this gives you a lot of hints. So you should always look for these. These give a lot of hints. So, okay, these are some tips to solve these type of questions. Now, fifth, lo train dash ali e monte ete bond. Bombay. The train dash Ali went was packed. The best sense would be made with the preposition, which means in. So it would become the train in which Ali went was packed. So we'll use the local. So we have completed this exercise. So you can take a screenshot and then let's move to this green box. Quelques expression avec le mot travail. This means some expressions with the word work. Content the avoir do dash do slash travail, which means happy of having some slash work. Chercher do slash travail, to seek some slash work. Donner du travail à quelqu'un, which means to give some work to someone. Le travail temporaire à mi-temps. This means the work with the temporary job or part-time job. Next, le trabajo equipe, which means teamwork. Next is le travail du nuit, which means night job. Le travail intellectual, which means intellectual work. Le travail scholar, which means school work. Le travail manual, which means manual work. So these are some important expression, and I'll just give you one important civilization question that can come from this part, and that is what is le travail temporaire. So it can come like this: que est le travail temporaire, or it can also come le travail temporaire slash a mi-temps. Temporaire slash a mi-temps. Anything can come que est le travail à mi-temps, or it can come que est le travail temporaire. So you have to accordingly answer, and the answer would all be the same. Okay, so we can write le travail temporaire. So these are the tips to answer a question, how to answer a question. We should always start with the question le travail temporaire, and if it is mi-temps, we'll write a mi-temps, a with an accent that is given in yellow box. We'll write the travail temporaire. The temporary work is the work which is not fixed. So we will write a le travail qui n'est pas fixé. So like this, you can accordingly take, if it is mi-temps, you can write mi-temps. If it is temporary, you can write temporary. So we'll just put the accent. Oh, sorry, I just placed the wrong accent. Mi-temps is this, and fixe is this. Okay, so you can write this. So let's move ahead. Now, au chômage, which means unemployment. Pierre, ça fait un que Jean est au chômage. It's a year that John is unemployed. Dennis, oui, mais de temps en temps, il fait de l'intérim. Yes, but time to time, he does some interim jobs. Pierre, c'est vrai, il faut qu'il soit embauché à Plato demande-lui d'aller s'inscrire sur le site internet de Pôle emploi.fr. Pierre, it's true. It's necessary that he gets hired for a full-time job. Ask him to visit and register on the internet site pole-employ.fr. Dennis, Seth ce qu'il fait et il parcourt aussi les annonce classes. Dennis, that's what he is doing, and he also covers the classified ads. Pierre, so CV est beau. Il ne doit pas y avoir de problems. Pierre, his CV is good. He mustn't have any problem here. So Dennis, soyo optimist. Dennis, let's be optimist. So friends, there are two important civilization questions here. So let's do them. So friends, these are two important civilization questions from this part. First is what ka vadir etra oshomaj. This means what does it mean oshomaj? So answer is shumaj vadir the no pa avoir the employee. This is unemployment means of not having a job. So this is the answer. Next is ka dua a fair quant a oshomaj. This means what one must do when one is unemployed. So the answer is quant au chômage when one is unemployed or doit préparer a bon CV. I just missed the accent on e or préparer. I'll just put it. So doit préparer a bon CV. One must prepare a good CV. Envoyer le CV or entreprise. Send the CV to enterprises. S'inscrire sur la site internet de pôleemploi.fr. Register themselves on the site internet of pôleemploi.fr et parcourir les petites annonces and search through the small ads on the newspaper. Okay, so I just taken this from this paragraph, and these are the answer. You can note them down. So let's move ahead. Now, for Ale Plulua, going further, curriculum vitae. So friends, this is also important. Fill in the blanks. It sometimes comes in the form of civilization question. Also, you need to learn this. What is the full form of CV? CV, that is curriculum vitae. Okay, curriculum vitae. Next, Jean Veron. This is the name of the person. Ne le says Jean Pierre 1990 Versailles. This is born 16th January 1919 Versailles. This is the birth date and place. Celebrator. This is single. Celebrator means single. 20 Rue Pasteur, 20 Pasteur Road, 5400 Nancy, 5400 Nancy, telephone 0169390158. This is the telephone number 0169390158. Formation means education. June 2010, diploma the engineer. June 2010, he did diploma in engineering. Next, 2006 to 2010, École Nationale de Chimie et Physique de Nancy. This is National School of Chemistry and Physics, Nancy. 2004, Baccalaureate Series C, mention beer. 2004, he did high school diploma with grade A. Mention beer means grade A. Experience professional experience. Depuis janvier 2013, chargé de la conception des systèmes informatiques du GDF. Since January 2013, he is in charge of system designing of GDF. Depuis septembre 2013, engineer chez GDF. Nancy. Since September 2013, he is engineer at GDF Nancy. Longs parler, languages spoken. Anglais parler courant, nombreux stages linguistiques or états unis. Anglais parler courant means fluent in spoken English. Nombreux stages linguistics or états unis means many linguistic training courses in USA. So friends, this is how a conventional CV is like. These are the details that are mentioned in CV. and there can be questions from this which we'll do ahead. But as of now, please remember this: the full form of CV, that's curriculum vitae. So let's move ahead. Atua, it's your turn. Really the phrase avec, qui, que, ou, or don't. Friends, this is again prono relative sampler, and this does not come in our 10th class, so we'll not do it. But this comes in 9th class, and this is 10th class, so we are not doing it. Okay, so let's move ahead. Cherchez du travail, searching for a job, that's the name of the chapter. Mettre le pronom relatif qui convenient. This means put the suitable relative pronoun. But friends, this also includes simple relative pronoun, pronoun relative sampler, but we don't have to do that, so we are leaving this exercise because in 10th class we only have to do pronoun relative composé. Okay. Next, mettre le pronom relatif composé qui convenient. Put the compound relative pronoun which is suitable. So we have to do this exercise because this comes in class 10th exams. First, voilà ma grand-mère dash j'ai une grande infection. This means this is my grandmother dash I have great affection. So this would be for whom? So it will be for laquelle, because grand-mère is feminine singular, and we know this because of ma. Ma means feminine singular. So we'll write like this: for laquelle. For laquelle. So here is my, this is my grandmother for whom I have great affection. Next, c'est sa maison. This is her house. Passo à la pièce dash je travaillais pendant mon enfance. Let's go into the room dash I worked during my childhood. So it would of course be in which the suitable preposition is in. So it would be the laquelle. Now we will use laquelle because PS is feminine singular, and we get to know through la. So it would be the laquelle. Next, voici ma petite chaise dash je me asseyais. Here is my small chair dash I used to sit. So we know that the preposition will be on which, so it would be sur laquelle, and laquelle because again chaise is feminine singular, ma is used, so it is feminine singular, so it would be sur laquelle. Next, a mon balade dash je me promenais, and my walkman dash I walked. This would be with whom, and my walkman with whom I walked. So the preposition will be avec. So and we use avec lequel because balade is masculine singular, and we know this through mo. Okay, so it would be avec lequel. Next, let's lift braces the l'ordre. Put these sentences in order. Now, friends, this does not come in board exams, so we are not doing this. Okay, so let's move ahead. Response aux questions suivantes. This means answer to the following questions. Now, friends, this is a very important civilization exercise. All these 5 questions can come in your school exam also. So you have to learn these questions and their answers by heart. So let's start. First question: quelles sont les different parties the CV? So this which means what are the different parts of a CV? And the answer is uh, so let's do what are the different parts of a CV. So we'll write the different parts of a CVR. So we will start like this: the different parties the CV. So we can write any 4. So I am writing l'état civil, la formation, les divers, and l'experience professional. The experience profession. So you can write these four, and because these are given in book also. If you are following some other book, there might be some different answers, but I think this is the best answer. So you can follow that easily. Okay. So this is the answer. I'll just okay like this. And now the second question. Qui est Céline Dion? Who is Céline Dion? So the answer is Céline Dion est une chanteuse québécoise. Céline Dion is a Quebec singer. Quebec is a place in Canada, and because Céline Dion is born in Quebec, so we are right. She is a Québécois singer, Quebec singer. So third is nommer quelques objets que l'on trouve the bureau. The question is name some objects which we find in the office. We have already done this question, so we are leaving this. Fourth, quelle profession aim to? Which profession do you like? So it answers can vary, but for example, I've written je aime la profession médicale. I like the medical profession. Okay, so you can write anything you like. Fifth, à quel âge commence à chercher à travailler? At which age one can start looking for a job? So the answer is commence à chercher à travailler à l'âge de 18 ans. So one starts to search a job at the age of 18 years. So this is the general answer, but sometimes the question comes specifically for France. For example, it can come like this: à quel âge commence à chercher un travail of France? So if it is for France, you can write at 16 years because in France they start in 16 years. But if it only comes in general, at what age does one start to search a work, then you write 18 years. So let's move to the clear this and let's move to the sixth question. Sixth, to cuisine ta écrite, il te parle de son travail et combien celui lui plaît. Rédige cette lettre de environ intimo. So the translation is your cousin wrote to you. He speaks to you about his work and how he likes it. Write this letter of around 80 words. So friends, we as always will discuss the letters of this chapter at the end of the video. So let's move ahead for now. Now third. So this is Je découvre, I discover. Babysitting, soutien scolaire, babysitting, schooling support. Bonjour, hello, jeune femme de 25 ans, sérieux et expérimentée. Je vous propose de garder vos efforts sur Antibes et ses environs. Je cherche aussi bien des gardes ponctuels que à la journée. Young woman about 25 years, serious and experienced. I offer you to babysit your children in Antibes and around. Je cherche aussi bien des gardes ponctuels que à la journée. I am also looking for a job as a full-time warden for a whole day. Mes horaires sont souples et je accept les urgences. My hours are flexible and I accept the emergencies. Je garde des efforts et de tout âge depuis mes 16 ans et je suis actuellement animatrice scientifique aussi d'une association de education populaire. I babysit children of all ages since I was 16 years and currently I am a scientific facilitator in a popular education association. Preparo actuellement le CAPS SVT, je vous propose également d'aider vos efforts au devoir. At present, I am preparing secondary teaching diploma in SVT. I also offer to help your children with the homework. Je possède le permis B et au véhicule. Je serai donc ravi d'amener vos efforts à leur activité extrascolaire ainsi qu'à l'extérieur pour une balade. I possess two-wheeler license. Permis B is a two-wheeler license and a vehicle. So I would be delighted to drop your children to their extracurricular activities as well as take them for a ride. Je suis disponible de maintenant pour vous rencontrer. I would be available to meet you. Jade, Jade. So this was an example of job diploma. So, but one thing, Geo Découvre does not come in board exams, and neither do you need to do it. So let's leave it. I just read it for translation and for enriching our vocabulary, but we can leave it till now. But one thing is important that we'll just see at the end of this page. So let's move down. You just have to see this. This is important. La retraite a 67 years. The retirement in 67 years. This one. Okay. Avec des années de chômage et pas fatigue à cette âge-là. With years of unemployment, one is not tired at this age. So this was just some joke type of, but one question is important. When does one retire? So it is at more than 60 years. Okay. So you have to write the question can be like this. Want want a a a la retraite. Okay. So you have to just you can just take one a la retraite want a plus the 60 off. So it is right. I'll just put the accents also. Want a another when is one at the retirement. So ala retraite is a proverb types of. So a ala retraite one is retired. Want a plus the 60 off. So one is retired when one is more than 60 years old. So let's move ahead. So with this, I think we have completed the chapter. Yes, we have completed the chapter. Nothing more is important. We have done all the important civilization questions. But now let's just one quickly do all the letters of this chapter for a full revision of this chapter. So let's move ahead. So friends, this is the first letter in which we have to describe our job. So it can be like Dekrive or Bulo. So let's start. First of all, we are writing the place and date on the right hand side at the top. Then share ABC. Friends, please remember that you should always write ABC and XYZ instead of writing true names. So, como va-tu? Tu seras ravi de savoir que j'ai trouvé un emploi, donc je vais te le décrire. How are you? You will be happy to know that I found a job. Therefore, I am going to describe to you it. J'ai obtenu un emploi à Apple comme secrétaire. I obtained a job at Apple from secretary, like secretary. Je dois prendre des notes, rédiger sous forme de lettres, taper des textes et les imprimer sur l'imprimante. I must take the notes, register on the form of letters, type the text and print them on the printer. Bien que je dois travailler 10 heures par jour le week-end est libre. Although I must work 10 hours per day, the weekend is free. Au plus, mes collègues et mon patron sont très sympas. More, my colleagues and my boss are very sympathetic. Mon travail me plaît beaucoup comme je reçois a très bon salaire. My job pleases me a lot because I receive a very good salary. Je suis fier de mon boulot. I am proud of my job. Écris-moi de ton employee. Write me about your employee. A bientôt. See you soon. Bees XYZ. Kisses XYZ. So friends, this is a perfect letter on describing your job and you can click a screenshot for future reference. Now, this is the second letter in which we have to give advices to a friend who is unemployed. So, COA Oshomaj if one is unemployed. Let's start. Of course, we are writing the place and the date on the right hand side on the top. Cher ABC, dear ABC, como va tu? Tô cozinho. M'a dit que tu es triste comme tu es au chômage depuis 2 mois, donc je vais te donner des conseils pour trouver le travail. Your cousin told me that you are sad because you are unemployed since 2 months. So I am going to give you some advice for finding the work. Au commencement, tu peux faire de l'intérim de temps en temps. In the beginning, you can do the interim jobs from time to time. Tu dois aussi t'inscrire sur le site internet de Pôle emploi.fr. You must also register yourself on the site internet of poleemployee.fr. Il faut que tu commences à parcourir l'annonce classes dans les journaux. It, it is very important that you start to research the classified announcements in the journals. Je sais que tu as un bon CV, alors tu ne dois pas perdre l'espoir. I know that you have a good CV, so you must not lose the hope. Sois optimiste et bonne chance. Be optimistic and good best of luck. À bientôt. See you soon. Peace XYZ. Kisses XYZ. So friends, this was the second and the last letter of lesson third. Please like and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to watch my further videos. Thank you for watching this video. And friends, one more thing, if in case you find my learning too fast, you can always slow down the video speed from the settings section in YouTube video. So thank you for watching my video.